Hey guys, today I have the most exciting Lookfantastic unboxing for you guys, and this is the most exciting and the happiest for me because this is mine and there's another one for you guys, which means that I'm gonna have a giveaway and one of you guys is gonna get this entire box, which means whatever I'm gonna be unboxing. So excited because the best box to get must be their birthday edition, right? That must be when there's big brands, expensive brands, and like big great products. So I'm really happy that they sent over an extra one because I think this is going to be one of the best experiences of a Lookfantastic beauty box that you're gonna get. So first up, this packaging is so beautiful. I'm definitely gonna be keeping this and repurposing this for something. The first thought that I had was, oh, gonna keep this, gonna use this somewhere. It's a very pretty box and it's a birthday edition. So let us look inside, and it feels really heavy. They generally tend to be around 0.5 kg, but this box feels really heavy, and from shaking it around, it smells like a spa already. So this one, it says, another year older and more fantastic than ever. So as per usual, it comes with this pamphlet. You must keep this because they give you tips and tricks and just more product information, and they also tell you like what is in the next month's box, so you can expect something. And this is the Elle magazine September edition. Even the magazine smells great. So this is my favorite part. Okay, it says Christmas has come early. The 2018 Lookfantastic Advent Calendar will be available to pre-order from 7 September. And there's 20% off. So I'll just put this code down below, or I'll just zoom you in. You get 20% off for this pre-order for the Advent Calendar. Okay, so from what I can see, I already see like Eve Lom, I see this Omorovicza, which is a really expensive brand, and I see makeup and oh, okay. So the first thing on top, at first I'm like, what is this, a cloth? But then I realized it's because you have this, which is from Eve Lom. This is 20 ml, and this is the cleanser, and I just got the big one. So it comes with this cloth because you use this on your face and you massage it, and then you place this in hot water, and then you just press it against your face for around 3 seconds, and after that you can wipe off whatever traces of makeup or residual dirt that there is still on your face. Eve Lom is really expensive, so 20 ml is a really generous size, and I did not expect that they would actually give you the cloth too. So in the box, I see this oil and it looks very interesting. It's from the brand Aroma Therapy Associates Revive Morning Bath and Shower Oil. And it says, add 2 capfuls, this cap, to your bath or smooth it over your body before showering. So it's 9 ml. One thing I must say is that the packaging is really nice. So let us open it up and smell it. Oh, okay, it's really strong. It's not like a sweet scent. It's like when you go to a spa and then this is what they put into your bath, and then it's like a herbal calming scent. Not like a sweet and yummy scent. This is not it. Not bad. Maybe I should keep this, and when I go to a hotel room I can use it in the bath. Okay, so this is a really expensive brand, and in my previous box I got something from them, and it was I remember it was a really good size moisturizer, and it was like $60. So this is Omorovicza, and this is the ultramoor mud mask. Ooh, how many ml is this? Product of Hungary. And this is 5 ml. I love any kind of wash off mask, and I love mud mask, and I feel that this packaging is way too nice for a sample product. This is like good quality. Oh, we can keep it and use it for your other kind of traveling items. Okay, so the first 3 lines is saying about how it works with like expensive laboratory to develop and patent this. Basically, it delivers all the potent minerals occurring naturally in the Omorovicza healing waters deep into the... some word I don't understand. So anyway, complexion appears firmer, supple, and more youthful. So I'm guessing that this brand is really expensive because of the ingredients that they use. Okay, shall we look at something that's of a bigger size now? This is from Kingsley, and this is the elasticizer. It's for hair. It's an intensive super conditioning pre-shampoo treatment for all hair types. Adds elasticity, manageability, bounce, and shine. It is 40 ml, so definitely enough even if you have long hair. So before you shampoo, you wet your hair and you apply it in sections, and then you cover it with a plastic cap and leave it for 10 to 20 minutes before washing. So you can apply it sparingly through your mid-length and your ends. So I've never bothered with a pre-shampoo treatment before, but let us smell this. There is no scent to it, so that's good because it won't be fighting with your shampoo scent. Okay, so the next thing in the box, this looks like candy, and I'm really excited because this box is from the UK and we don't have such things over here. And this is the Swizzels Giant Parma Violets Delicately Perfumed Violet Sweets. Ooh. So it's like one of those grape flavored tablet candies. I'm gonna eat this. And then the last thing in the box, oh no, not the last thing, but let us look at this first, which is a makeup product. And this is a brand that I always hear people talk about in BoxyCharm and like Ipsy. Obviously we can't get all those things here, but this is from Lot & Berry, and this is the strobing pencil. So this is the size of the pencil, and it is in a white champagne shade. And I mean, you can always just use it as an eyeliner, maybe underneath your eyeline. That would be pretty good. This color would really open up your eyes. That is probably what I would be using it for. So this is the swatch over here. Okay, so the last thing in the box is a really good size, and this is actually a brand that I've heard of. It's Mane and Tail Hoofmaker Hand and Nail Therapy. So it's like a moisturizer. This is a really generous size, but that's because you can use it on your hands, nails, cuticles, body, your elbows, your feet. Can use it everywhere. Okay, so let us review the box together. Basically, you get 6 items. The cloth and the Eve Lom cleanser, you just count it as 1, but if you really want to count it, then actually you get like 7. And then the candy is just an extra item in the box. So number 1 is definitely the Eve Lom and the cloth, because Eve Lom is really expensive. And then number 2 for me is the mud mask, and then number 3 is the makeup product. I'm just gonna use this as an eyeliner. I could even use it as an eyeshadow base. And then this one is something that I would never have gone out to purchase myself, but since I got it in a box, I would be willing to try it out. This is a pre-shampoo treatment. And then this oil, because we're in Asia, so we don't really have like bathtubs, not like the Americans. I'll have to keep this for when I go to a hotel, and then I can pour this into a bath. I think this would be really relaxing. But the best part of the video is the giveaway, and just open the description box. The first thing you see over there will be a link, and then just click on that. It will bring you to the giveaway. Easy peasy, just join through that link. All the information will be there, and I hope you're the lucky one. So happy birthday to Lookfantastic, and good luck to you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!